The famous weaverbird tree in our home. See how busy they are chattering, doing their house chores. This is the grevillea tree where they put up their houses, or rather their nests. But the cypress neighboring tree, they have also begun to put up their nests close to the nests on the grevillea tree. There must be some concept behind this. Because they are not putting the nests in the cypress tree on the extreme right hand branches, but on the left hand branches, close to the right hand branches of the grevillea tree. This is normally my best site ever in our rural home. Thanks for watching.